Tutorial for installing PW equipment from B&G Electronics. Applies to models PW-25, 50, 100, 150, and 250. Let's start with the speaker installation. Mount the speaker in the engine compartment. Identify the ideal location based on the speaker size. Each speaker includes mounting brackets to secure it to the vehicle chassis. Proceed to wire the speaker. To do this, continue the installation process inside the vehicle. Take the speaker harness and cut off the connector as shown. Using a wire guide, run the cable from the interior of the vehicle to the engine compartment. Repeat the same process with the red cable and route it to the exterior of the vehicle. Use electrical tape to cover the speaker cable, protecting it from the engine's heat. Now, route the cable to the speaker's location. You can use cable ties to secure the cable along the engine, ensuring a clean installation without the wiring obstructing other parts of the engine. Now, with the cable and connector that we cut initially, splice the cable as shown. Use electrical tape to cover the entire wiring, providing a neat finish and protecting the installation. Connect the speaker and cover the connectors as shown in the image. Perform the same operation with the red cable, which connects to the vehicle's battery. Remove the covering from the red cable and connect it. Then, finish by covering it with electrical tape. Use the metal washers to connect the cable's end to the battery. Once secured, use the nut to tighten the connection, ensuring the system is powered directly from the vehicle's battery. With this process, we have completed the speaker and battery wiring in a way that the wiring is not intrusive in the engine compartment. Now, use the black cable to connect the system's ground. Attach it to the metal washer and install it on the vehicle's chassis as shown. Now, let's proceed with the installation of the external microphones for the PW system. Each unit includes two high-gain microphones. Start by placing the microphone in the mounting capsule as shown. Recommendation: the microphones are highly sensitive, so avoid pulling or applying excessive force during installation to prevent damage to the microphone. Clean the mounting surface with alcohol before applying the double-sided tape included with each microphone. Now, we need to route the microphone cable from the exterior to the interior. A recommended technique is shown for passing the cable with the 2.5mm connector. Once the microphone cable is routed to the interior, secure the microphone in the space between the door and the vehicle's engine. Repeat the process on the other side. Be sure not to pull the microphone. Route it toward the engine and install it in the space shown using the double-sided tape. Now, take the 2.5mm connectors and route them to the interior of the vehicle as shown. With this, we have all the connectors inside the vehicle, and we can proceed to connect the module. To make the installation easier, it is recommended to carefully remove the base of the miller as shown. Let's proceed with the installation of the digital keyboard. Take the keyboard and the keyboard extension cable. The PW digital keyboard includes the internal microphone within it, so we recommend not pulling the cable or applying excessive force. Connect the keyboard and the harness. According to the vehicle type and dashboard design, proceed with the installation of the keyboard. Each keyboard includes double-sided tape for easy attachment to the vehicle. Once the keyboard is installed, you can connect it to the extension harness inside the miller. We will finish with the internal speaker, which will allow us to hear what is being said from the outside. In models such as the PW-150 or PW-250, two speakers are included, allowing the user to hear external sound in stereo. In this case, we are installing only one, so the sound will be monophonic. Position the speaker and secure it using its mounts inside the dashboard, ensuring it is firmly fixed. With all components installed, we proceed to reinstall the vehicle's console. Now, to complete the installation, take the brain of the system, the electronic module where all the connectors from the previously installed components are located. Place the module inside the dashboard and connect the speaker, battery, keyboard, and internal speaker. Finally, organize any excess cable to store it inside the console, ensuring it remains hidden from view. With this, we complete the installation of the PW system. The product is now ready for use.